feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Yes, many Beko washing machines feature a quick wash cycle that can wash a load in under an hour, often referred to as the Daily Quick or Super Short program. This function is designed for lightly soiled clothes and can handle a full load in about 28 to 44 minutes, depending on the specific model. It's a convenient option for busy lifestyles, ensuring your laundry is done efficiently without compromising on cleanliness.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.